welcome back to More to Explore. I'm Leo.
I'm Lon.
And we are at the corner of Broad and Main.
But am I your main broad?
She's my main broad. And today we are in Brevard, North Carolina, a very spur-of-the-moment trip for us because we heard that there's a couple of really interesting things. Well, I'm sure there's more, but a couple of things in particular. Number one, this area is known as the Land of Waterfalls. And something else. What is that something else?
Celebrities.
Celebrities. There are celebrities.
White squirrels.
White squirrels.
White squirrels.
As the story goes, this is a true story, apparently. In 1949, a circus animal truck from Florida, which is where we're from, so none of this surprises me, overturned in this town back in 1949.
And there was a great white squirrel escape.
A great white squirrel escape. And they became, shall we say, prolific and endured. And as of this taping, 75 years later, they are still out and about, and this town has embraced the white squirrel. You see them all over the place, on top of traffic signs. Well, not always real, but the wind vanes in store windows. But there are real ones, and we're going to try to capture some on video. So yeah, we're going to check out
great white squirrels.
Great white squirrels. We're going to check out the town, check out some waterfalls, and see if we can check out some white squirrels. So we'll see you in a bit.
See you soon.
Okay, and here's a cool thing.
Yeah.
Look at this, an old phone booth. Remember these? Well, you probably don't. I can remember these.
Yes.
But I don't know why my wife's in there making the call. There's not even a phone in here.
I'm on the phone.
Why are you using a cell phone?
I'm on the phone with my agents.
All right, well, I'll just close this so you can have your privacy. It's not even any, there's no glass in here.
So, anyway.
So, okay, I've heard there's no way you can visit Brevard without visiting the toy store known as O.P. Taylor's.
O.P. Taylor's Boulevard. Let's see what's in here. Oh, sorry.
She's a kid.
There's toys in here.
Well, find something useful.
Useful?
Yeah.
Toys. Fun. You're looking for the white squirrel? Too bad. You will not find one. Oh, hey. I figured out how we can catch the elusive white squirrel.
How's that?
A giant acorn. There's no way that he could deny a big acorn.
Let's put it to use.
Okay.
Okay, I think I've seen the strangest looking white squirrel so far.
Be nice. I need an acorn. They've got something so cool here. They actually have a white squirrel radio station.
WSQL, to be precise.
Check this out.
After
exploring the beautiful downtown area of Brevard, it was high time to check out a few of the renowned waterfalls in the Pisgah National Forest, located just a few minutes away. Our first stop would be Moore Cove Falls, one of the few falls you can actually walk behind. When visiting, just be prepared for a little bit of a hike to get there from the trailhead. But not to worry, the trail itself is only about a 1.5-mile round trip and has no steep inclines, so it makes it great for a family-friendly excursion. Next up was Sliding Rock, which has numerous platforms right down to the base of the falls to view the adventurous or participate yourself in taking the plunge down nature's water slide. This waterfall also has the unique distinction of being featured in a 1966 television episode of Lassie. After a bit of research, I was able to find an actual clip from that episode where our canine celebrity, along with a young girl, enjoy taking a side-by-side trip down the watery ride.
Now, this dog ain't afraid to go down Sliding Rock, Riddle. Come on, girl.
Looking Glass Falls was our last stop in the forest for this trip. You can actually see this waterfall from the road, but it's well worth taking the time to park and experience this one up close. With over 250 falls in the Brevard area alone, we've only just scratched the surface. So, a return trip will definitely be in our future. But for now, it was time for us to continue our quest to capture pictures and video of the elusive white squirrels.
We are now on the campus of Brevard College, where we've heard is one of the best places to actually see for yourself a white squirrel.
They are elusive.
But they're elusive for us today. But hopefully we have some luck. I think I saw one as we drove in here. So, stay with us. We'll see. We're not going to leave until
Squirrel! Squirrel!
She just squirreled on me, so hang on. Little white squirrel. Hello, white squirrel. Okay, we've really enjoyed our short stay in Brevard. We're gonna have to come back. So many more waterfalls to see.
White squirrels.
And more white squirrels to see. We did
Yes.
get video and pictures, so that's really cool.
And
I
did one better.
She did one better, and that is?
I captured one.
She actually got...
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. All right, join us next time because, as you know, there's always more
To explore.
You're a crazy woman.